Now for a donut sweeter than honey, because it's got honey inside of it. Crisbee Donut. The dough is super easy to make. It starts with milk and water, butter, sugar, and a little bit of nutmeg. Bring it to a boil. Alright, add your flour all at once and start mixing. Turn down the heat to low. Keep stirring this until it pulls away from the sides of the pot and there's a bit of film at the bottom of the pot too. Nice. Carefully, because it's pretty hot, place this dough into a mixing bowl. Let it cool down for about 15 minutes. If you have snow powers, you could probably make this go faster, but I don't, unfortunately. Alright, turn on your stand mixer and add eggs one at a time. Once the dough takes in all the egg, you can add another egg. Once all the eggs are in, you can mix for another minute. You can do this by hand, by the way, but it's going to take a long time and a lot of elbow grease. Alright, add your dough to a piping bag fitted with a round tip. On a parchment-lined sheet, make circles, or donuts, if you will. Once you make a bunch of donuts, freeze them, at least 15 minutes. It'll make frying them easier. Get a small pot of oil to 375 degrees. Then you can fry a couple at a time. Once they're in, you can carefully pluck out that parchment paper with tongs and place them on a plate to throw away later when they're cool. Flip your donuts after a few minutes and keep an eye on your oil temperature. Once they look like this, evacuate and place on a drying/cooling rack. Now for a glaze. Powdered sugar goes into a small bowl. Add honey. I like berry honey or orange blossom, but use whatever you like. And finally, a little bit of lemon juice. Stir this whole business together until it's smooth. Then you can dip your donuts in. Dip, flip, and allow to drain. Your fingers will get sticky, but that's okay. These are great. They're not too sweet, crunchy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, sort of like a sweet French fry. If you pair them with Tangy Carpaccio and a little bit of ice cream, you'd have a Queen's Dinner, which might just be the new hit dessert of the summer. Bug Fable treats are yummy! If you're looking for more treats from indie games, check out my Stardew Valley playlist. Also, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss a thing. Thanks for watching, see you next time, bye!